hapon lang, 2024! Eto na nga sa lahat na mga nagdasal kagabi at looking forward sa bagong taon. Tandaan nyo lang, you are a survivor of 2024! Yes, ikaw yan! Kaya itap mo ang iyong self. Congratulations, we did it!
Congratulations!
Yes! At ngayong taon, ang mantra natin ay, we'll survive 2025! Yes! Hey! Yes, kaya naman sabay-sabay nating isigaw, we'll survive 2025! In 3, 2, 1!
We'll survive 2025!
I love it. That is so amazing. Ganda.
Parang mas gusto ko, we'll thrive in 2025.
Yes.
Hindi lang survive. We will thrive in 2025.
In 3, 2, 1!
We'll thrive in 2025!
That is so
Claim natin yan.
amazing.
Claim natin yan.
Early manifestation.
That's right.
I love it.
Gawin natin yan ng masaya at magkakasama